In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit multiple Excel sheets at the same time, streamlining your workflow and saving you valuable time. This technique is particularly useful when you're dealing with large data sets spread across different sheets and want to implement changes across all of them uniformly. So, let's dive into it. First, what you'll want to do is open the Microsoft Excel app on your computer. If you haven't pinned it to your taskbar or desktop, you can find it in your Start menu or Applications folder, depending on your operating system. Launching the application will bring up a familiar interface, and you'll be ready to start working with your spreadsheets. Once you are in the Excel app, the next step is to select a document you want to work on. For this, navigate to the File menu. Here you'll find a list of recent files, or you can browse for a specific file if it's saved elsewhere on your device. Double-click to open the document. Remember, having all your relevant documents located in one folder can help you find and access them quickly. With your spreadsheet open, turn your attention to the bottom of the screen, where you'll see tabs for each worksheet within your document. This is your Worksheet tab area. If you only see one worksheet, you might need to add more. Using the plus icon, or perhaps the workbook you're dealing with only has one sheet. Now, to edit multiple sheets, press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard. While holding this key, right-click on one of the worksheet tabs. This action ensures that the subsequent selections you make will involve multiple sheets, ensuring uniform changes across them. This step allows Excel to understand that you are selecting multiple sheets at once, a crucial part of the process. After right-clicking, a context menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select All Sheets. By doing this, any edits or inputs you make will apply to each sheet simultaneously. This can be incredibly helpful for tasks like formatting cells, adjusting column widths, or applying formulas across all sheets. It's important to keep in mind that when you're done making changes, you should right-click again and choose Ungroup Sheets from the options. This will enable you to go back to editing individual sheets separately. If you forget to do this, you might accidentally make changes to all sheets without realizing it. That's all there is to it. You can now edit multiple Excel sheets at the same time, drastically enhancing your productivity, especially during heavy data processing tasks. Practice this a few times, and it will become second nature. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial, and I hope it makes your data management tasks a little bit easier.